Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, special treat today. I came down by the water to see if I could find these beautiful birds. They're called egrets. There's two giant egrets and two snowy egrets. The snowy egrets are the little ones. The big ones are obviously the giant egrets. Very smart birds, beautiful birds. Let's see if they will join our class. Don't want to disturb them too much now. Whoa, wait, where are you going? I didn't even ask yet. All right, maybe you two, three. We're reading this book called The Giver, very good. Jonas is in it. He's getting memories of the past. He's seeing different animals that he's never seen before, like egrets, birds. What do you think? Wait, what? You didn't even hear the story. All right, well, down to two. So, what do you think? Would you join us? Great book. Wait, it's really good. Nope. Now there goes the other one. All right, what about you? Great book. You seem like very intelligent. We'd love to hear your accountable talk and different things like that. Wait, where are you going? It's an A day. You have art, music, Nans, Ms. McKnight, Miss Caleb, Miss Jacob. Listen. Hello? Anyone? Nope, just the water full of, bridge full of water.